What is the sum of all possible values of x? To be able to get the sum of the value of x, first of all, we need to consider the expression inside the absolute values. In the absolute values, we have 3x minus 6, which give us 12. And to be able to solve all the sum of the possible values, the absolute values gave us two factors, or will be giving us two factors. What are the two factors? This equal to 12, it will give us a positive 12 and a negative 12. If I were to rewrite it now, it will be 3x minus 6 equal to plus 12, or 3x minus 6 equal to minus 12. That is what our absolute value has given to us. The absolute value will split the number, the equality of that number outside to 2, having a positive and a negative answer. Now, we need to solve for this and the other part. Now, in order to solve for this, we collect our like terms, which will be 3x equal to 12. When negative 6 crosses over this equality sign, it changes to plus 6, which will give us 3x equal to 18. So we divide both sides by 3, 3. When 3 cancel 3, you have your x. When 3 goes into 18, gives us 6. Now, coming to this part, or the same thing will be done here. We collect our like terms, which is 3x is equal to minus 12 plus 6. Then you have 3x is equal to minus 6. Now we divide both sides by the coefficient of 3. When this cancel this, you have your x. This into this, you have your minus 2 on the board. Now, after we've gotten the answers of the two values, we can be able to find the sum of all the possible values. These are the possible values: x equal to 6 and x equal to minus 2. We call this one, the first one, x1 and x2. So to find the sum of all the possible values now, it will be sum of possible values, which is x1 plus x2, which will give us our x1 is 6 plus, which is the sum, this minus 2. Because when two signs are coming together, separate them with bracket. So you have your 6 plus times minus is minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So the sum of all the possible value of x is a positive 4. Thank you.